Hey everybody, so I was asked a question earlier today about whether Cycles in Blender 2.8 renders faster than Cycles in 2.79. I said, you know what, I don't know, I haven't actually tested that, I haven't used 2.8 in production. Now I do want to point out that 2.8 is not yet finished, it's still in development, I don't know for how long, and it could change a lot, but I figured, hey, let's just see right now if Cycles in 2.8 is faster or slower than in Blender 2.79. So for that, I'm going to use the BMW benchmark render with my GPU. So I just want to note real quick that my specs on this current computer are an Intel i7 6700 at 2.6 gigahertz, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 960M with 4 gigabytes of RAM. So if you're looking to download this benchmark file, you'll go to www.blender.org, click download, scroll down to the bottom, click demo files, and there's actually several demo files here that you can try out. I downloaded this one right here, BMW benchmark. You can probably test with whichever one you want. I haven't tried any of the others, but I know a lot of people use the BMW benchmark to test speeds. So I downloaded that, I just copied it into my folder, and now I'm going to actually load it up. I'm not going to change anything about this. My Blender BMW 27 GPU. Once again, not going to modify this file at all. I'm just going to go ahead and hit F12 and render, and I'm verifying GPU is on. So I'm probably going to cut here and come back when the render's done, because I really don't know how long it's going to take. As you can see, it's starting. We've got 1,225 samples with 12 tiles, so it could take a little while, but it may not. Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back, and we finished rendering. You can see here the render time was 9 minutes and 55 seconds. So, not bad. I guess now we will go ahead and open up Blender 2.8. As you can see here, I got my 2.8 download. If you haven't already downloaded 2.8, I recommend downloading it and trying it out just to see. And then I'm going to reload the same file. BMW 27 GPU. And I guess it started off in Clay Render, which we're not really using for this. I'm going to go ahead and switch it to Cycles because we're doing a Cycles speed test. And, of course, it starts off with a viewport render. I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to go ahead and hit F12. I didn't change anything in this file. It's the same file we just rendered at 9 minutes and 55 seconds. So let's start the full render, and let's see how long it takes. Okay, so we're back, and the 2.8 Cycles render has completed, and as you can see here, it completed in 7 minutes and 22 seconds. That's quite a bit faster than the 2.79 render, which was 9 minutes and 55 seconds. Actually, so 2.8 finished in 2 minutes and 33 seconds faster than 2.79. So yeah, pretty good. And you see I left up the 2.79 render, which is 9 minutes and 55 seconds, and 7 minutes and 22 on the 2.8. So there you go. Looks like 2.8 is actually running or rendering a little bit faster than 2.79, which is good because 2.8 is still in development. So, and if they keep on this track, it could end up being a whole lot faster than 2.79. Which would be really nice for anyone who renders with Cycles. So I guess that's about it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them below, or any suggestions, go ahead. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.